Yon, kamusta? Welcome to another episode of Self-Talk with Ken Somera. And dito sa episode na to, very, very important tong episode na to, lalo na if you get to work with the word depression a lot. Because the topic right now, or the goal for this episode, is to understand how to work with it. Not just how to work with it, but how to manage it and probably get through it. Okay? So ngayon, ang guest natin, madami kami pag-uusapan nito kasi matagal ko nang kilala to eh. Si Tia Si. Hi!
Hi, Coach Ken.
Kamusta? Kamusta?
Sobrang buti compared sa last time na nagkita tayo. Kasi yung last time, may mga ano pa yun eh, mga down moments eh. This time, goods na.
Yeah, ang ganda nga ng energy mo. Nung nakita tayo kanina, sobrang, ay wow, solid, di ba?
Thank you, Coach.
Oo. Pero it's been a while. It's been a while. I think the last time we've met was like, probably less than a year. A year or so na rin.
Opo.
Tama? It's an
Yes.
NLP cafe?
Yes.
Tama? Okay. Pero siguro ganito, binungad natin yung word na depression. I know that you post a lot in regards to that.
Yes.
Pero what hit me was your recent post and you tagged me dun sa post na yun eh. That, nakita ko sobrang, nabasa ko yung storya and it made me smile. It made me smile because I'm happy to be part of that process.
Yes. Super happy ako sa result ng journey na yon. Kasi you've seen me in my lowest, Coach eh.
Sobra.
Yes. Yung
Alam
talagang uma-attend ako ng NLP Cafe mo na sobrang term S, trigger warning, suicidal. Yes. Na ilang beses ko talaga siyang ginawa, inattempt. Pero ngayon, wala na talaga eh.
Okay.
Wala na.
So, sige. Very quick background lang. Alam ko, nagkakilala tayo through a workshop of a friend he was doing a group therapy, hypnotherapy for that time. Kailan niya? Mga 20...
December 2019.
Alam mo, 2019, December. Nice. Sige, could you give us a detail lang, I mean, what was going on? Kung ano lang yung kayang i-public I mean, a lot of things are private and of course we want to keep things private naman. So, kung ano lang yung kaya mong i-share so that our friends who are listening can get to understand or probably learn from you more.
Yes. So, yun yung group hypnotherapy, if okay lang mabanggit.
Yeah, no
Yes.
problema.
Oo, na-recommend siya sa akin because one of my old colleague is knows or knew na I am going through depression.
Okay.
And yung depression kasi na yun is hindi siya yung parang wala lang akong gana sa buhay, kundi talagang nag-a-attempt na kasi ako before. Ilang beses na. And yun yung times na tinry ko na lahat eh.
Okay.
Yung post ko, di ba, nagpa-kuryente na ako ng utak nun,
Okay.
transcranial magnetic simulation. For a while, ano siya eh, sa lahat ng experience ko before, sa past, lahat siya temporary lang. Temporary lang talaga. After a while, babalik ulit.
Ano, tell me more. Transcranial.
Magnetic simulation.
Wow. Parang ultramagnetic top yun
Oo, kuryentehin niya yung utak mo.
Okay.
Bali, sisimulate niya yung brain mo.
Okay.
Pero for a while, nakatulong naman talaga siya. Both kailangan eh. Kasi depression and anxiety. So, ang afford ko lang nun is depression. During pandemic yon. So,
Iba.
yes, magkaiba siya. Magkaibang treatment siya. And super costly niya. Yun. Kaya ang na-afford ko lang is yung sa for depression lang. During that time, pandemic yun, di ba? So, pandemic, super fear-mongering, di ba? Matindi ang anxiety ko noon. Although, yun nga, I'm glad na yung depression is na-lessen or as in, okay siya at the time, pero bumalik. Bumalik eh. Kaya ayun, lahat tinry ko, acupuncture for depression, tinry ko lahat, as in, name it, lahat ng alternatives. And hanggang sa dumating ako dun sa group hypnotherapy.
Yeah, ano ako doon? Supporting role. Supporting
Oo.
role. Ay, pasok na kayo. Tagang ganun naman.
Oo. Pero,
Workshop ng kaibigan ko yan eh.
pero yun yung first time na parang wala akong depression
Ay, wow.
nung sa session na yun. Sabi ko, group pa lang to. Yun na yung effect sa akin.
Yeah.
What more? 'Di ba? Pag one-on-one pa.
It's been a while. Napansin mo, for the past couple of years, wala na kaming ginawa ulit.
Okay. Pero,
Wala na.
nirecommend mo kasi ako sa other friend mo
Okay.
na nagturo sa akin nung one-on-one na yon.
Okay, very good.
That was 2019, 'di ba? And hindi pa natapos dun yung kasi syempre parang glimpse lang kasi ng hypnotherapy yun eh.
Yeah.
Glimpse lang siya. Until yun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin kasi ako noon, nagsisik. Yun, mga meds, ganyan. Pero talagang temporary lang talaga sila. And yun nga, hindi ako nag-rely kasi alam ko na hindi kasi niya na a-address yung root kasi. And dun yung time na I enrolled dun sa course na yon and natutunan ko na hypnotherapy yung sarili ko.
So that you got to understand more concepts that helped you.
Yes.
So with self-hypnosis.
Sobrang tindi ng self-hypnosis.
Okay, self-hypnosis.
Self-talk, di ba?
Okay.
Kung
So gets mo kung bakit
Gets na gets.
self-talk with Ken Somera
Yes.
yung ginagawa kong
Yes.
embedding.
Nung na-enroll ko siya, grabe, super powerful ng self-talk. Self-talk kasi lalo na, nung sinabi ko talaga to, nung nag-30 years old ako, sinabi ko, dineclare ko na siya. I declare I'm depression-free. Kasi talagang wala na eh. Every time, yung routine kasi, hindi naman siya magic na overnight, hindi.
Yeah.
2023 kasi yon nung November, na nag-enroll ako. And then, syempre, dumaan pa yung 2024, 2025, and yung 2025, dineclare ko na, yung 2 years na yon nang may hypnotherapy wisdom ako, in-apply ko talaga sa sarili ko. And also, di ba, like ngayon, yung present, teaching is learning twice eh. So, while I teach it, I apply it, talagang mas nagiging better ako.
Ngayon, nakikita ko, there was one post that you posted na you were talking in front of a lot of people.
Ay, opo.
Ako, sobrang naging happy ako
Thank
sa'yo
you,
nun kasi I
Coach.
think that's a very big achievement na talagang from a person who ayaw makipag-usap sa ibang tao.
Yes.
Ayaw mo na eh. Ayaw mo. Tatago ka na talaga. Umiiyak ka lang palagi. And then, to a person who's now empowering people.
Totoo.
You all also have your own podcast.
Yes po.
And you're doing a lot of things right now. So siguro, bago tayo pumunta doon, himayin muna natin yung mga, what led to those feelings before.
Yung before.
Before lang. Again, we want to establish rin with our friends who are listening right now, kumbaga, maybe they're going through a similar thing.
Yes, totoo.
So that ma-establish natin and then mabigyan natin sila ng mga bagay that work for you. Maybe it could also work for them. I mean, sa concept natin ng NLP, it's more on understanding what works eh. So if we could give them the tools or more options that they could actually get to use, maybe that could help lessen the burden. Tama?
Yes.
Sige. So tell us more. I mean, 2019, what's going on? What's running on your mind?
Bata pa lang ako. 7 years old. Started na gusto ko nang i-end yung life ko. 7. At the age of 7. Why? Trauma, abuse, environment, lahat, physical, emotional. Common siya sa mga merong mga abusive parents or abusive caregivers.
Oh.
So, yon. And doon nag-start na parang I feel neglected. And na-carry on ko siya kasi like pumapasok ko sa school, umiiyak kasi may mga pasa ako. So, talagang piled up hurt, piled up pain, na parang ayoko na. Pero, nagpapatuloy ako kasi parang alam ko may something eh. Imagine if talagang natuloy yung mga attempts ko, hindi ko may tuturo ngayon kung ano yung mga naging success story ko.
Tama.
Hindi ko ngayon matutulungan. Ang dami ko rin natulungan eh. Kasi by being there for them is showing up. Yun yung post ko eh. Show up. Kaya ako nandito ngayon sa state na to is I showed up. I keep showing up for myself. Kasi yun nga, yung I used to abandon myself to cater for the needs of others. Especially panganay ako. Yan, feels ng mga panganay yan. Na talagang they have to cater for the needs of their siblings, ganyan, or parents, or yun, yung mga factors na yun, yung naging reason bakit suicidal ako until I declared yung may wisdom na ako ng hypnotherapy.
Okay. Declared. When you made that decision.
Yes.
So, siguro i-connect ko lang to, no? Palagi kong sinasabi to sa mga previous episodes ko eh. Ang laking factor ng resources. Ang laking factor ng resources. I mean, it's hard to solve a problem kung wala ka nung mga specific na resources na dapat para ma-solve yung problem na yun. Kaya nga, ang ginugol ko for this next month is, kaya tuloy-tuloy na ako mag-podcast to give my audience the resources so that they could handle their problems. Diba? So, when nagkaroon ka ng context, nagkaroon ka ng insight, nagkaroon ka ng knowledge about on how to deal or how to manage yourself more,
Yes.
dun ka na nagkaroon ng belief and nagkaroon ka ng more power.
Empowering beliefs.
Na empowering belief eh.
Yeah, yes.
Na empower, na validate. Kasi
Yes.
okay, may nangyari ganito. Okay, ito na yun.
Yes.
Tapos nagkaroon ka ng momentum. Tapos tinuloy-tuloy mo na.
Show
Hanggang
up
sa naging
talaga.
identity na siya. So right now, is it a different identity from who you were?
Yes.
A full different identity?
Full different identity. I remember us having this online session of hypnotherapy, and you said sa akin, feel this different person or identity of you na confident. Lahat.
Okay.
And saan kami nararamdaman ngayon?
Okay.
Tap mo siya.
Ayun yung favorite
And,
ko.
and ngayon,
Therapy
step
approach
on
mo.
that confident person.
Okay,
Hindi ko na siya kailangan gawin ngayon eh. Kasi yun na ako eh.
Okay. Embodiment na. Okay.
Embodiment na siya.
Identity na siya.
Yes. Oo.
Galing. Okay. That's very nice. Sige. Ngayon nasa heightened state tayo ngayon eh.
Yes.
Balik muna tayo dun i-breakdown muna natin yung mga states before.
Okay.
So, siguro, 2019, 2020, 2023, kailan ka nagka-breakthrough? 2023. Yung
2023.
sobrang breakthrough na.
2023.
Okay, 2023. What did you do to make that breakthrough like solidify?
I showed up for myself. I continue showing up for myself.
Define
Kasi-
show up. I mean,
show up, okay.
Show up, I mean,
Very general.
Is it important lang na nandun ka? I mean,
hindi.
what do you mean by showing up?
So, yung pinakauna kasi nun is, 'di ba, 2019 yung group hypnotherapy.
Yeah.
And then nag-journey ako. Until 2023, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng contact coach Ken na parang there's this event na
Tingin ko nga yun yung napakalaking change sa'yo.
yes.
Ako,
Yes, yun
tingin
nga
ko yun
yun.
yung pinakamalaking kicker eh.
Yun na yun.
Parang pinagpala ka nung alignment
Araw na
na yun,
yun.
no? VIP pa yun nasa.
Yes, last ticket, VIP.
Tama.
Hindi pa nga dapat ako kukuha nun, di ba? Pero hindi niya ginrab. So sabi ko, ako na.
Dapat kasi may bibili na.
Yes,
eh.
that's
Bibili na.
yung old colleague ko. That's how I showed up for myself.
Okay.
Yun na yung breakthrough ko eh. Sabi ko, may mga ganun kasing instances na may mga opportunities pero hindi natin siya ginagrab. Kasi kasi hindi pa tayo aligned. Pero I think that year, I was, talagang aligned na ako sa...
You were investing on yourself.
Yes. Yes, that was the year that I invested in myself.
Kasi hindi mura yung ticket na yun.
Totoo. And from then on, dun kasi, di ba, I invested din sa course ng hypnotherapy.
Yeah.
And then from then on, I invested more. Dun yung step-by-step show up. Nag-nature therapy ako. Kasi dun talaga siya connected eh, 'di ba? Yung body natin eh.
Next, gusto mo mag-skydive therapy?
Parang wala pa ako diyan.
So medyo okay din siya.
Sobrang extreme na 'yan.
Kaya
Pero yun nga, nag-focus ako sa grounding. And akala ko dati yung grounding, ganun lang, nature lang. Hindi pala.
Tell
Yun
us
yung-
more about grounding kasi minsan grounding nasa lupa ka lang, naliligo ka ng lupa. Ano ba? I mean, what do you mean by grounding?
Okay.
De, para lang sa
Meron akong pinrepare. 14 questions to ask yourself if you're stressed, stuck, or in a clusterfuck. By Mary Jelkovsky. 14 questions. Ganito yung grounding na ginagawa ko currently. Para, kasi past, di ba? And then present, maintaining na siya eh. Maintaining na what you have. So, first question, is my belly full? Is my bladder empty? Have I seen the sun? Have I told the truth? Did I touch a living creature? Did I put my pen to paper? Am I drinking enough water? Am I giving myself grace? Or at least a little extra rest? If I sit up tall and unclench my jaw, stretch my neck, relax my face, does it feel a little better? Can I say one kind thing from me to me? Whatever happens, who do I want myself to be? What if this was easy? And what if I'm okay? Yun yung grounding ko ngayon.
Do I have extra rice?
Ayun, yes, oo, ganun.
Nakasama rin.
Kasi minsan
Gratitude list, di ba?
Yes.
Part din yun. Yung mga earlier questions mo, kasi naghalo-halo na yung questioning patterns from as I was listening. Yung earlier questions, napapansin ko, it was to lead you to a present state.
Yes.
Yung ibang questions kasi, ganun na eh. So, wala lang.
More on, nagawa ko na bang, nakapag-journal na ba ako ngayon? Minsan kasi parang bigla ka na lang mawawala sa mood. Hindi ka pa pala nakakakain, hindi ka pa pala, usually sa ginagawa ko kasi ngayon, nervous system na to. Nervous system regulation na siya.
Okay.
Before kasi nasa survival state ako, nasa thriving state na ako ngayon, and minimaintain ko na lang yung nervous system ko. If, katulad yan, grounding nga, if nakakain na ba ako. Yun nga, yung from
Kasi
self...
it connects to connect.
Yes,
Okay.
from self-abandonment to
That makes
self-love.
sense. Okay.
Yes, yan. Na yung mga basic mo kasi, yun yung yung mga basic grounding kasi, yun yung magre-regulate na ng nervous system mo.
Alarm ng gamot ko kasi.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, take a break.
Hindi. Okay na. Uminom na ako ng gamot ko kanina.
Okay.
In advance ko na. Sabi ko, minamanage ko rin yung nervous system ko eh.
Oh, ayos.
Pero,
So, ayun.
sige, moving forward, I mean, you said kanina, though there were two things that you had to work on, which is depression and anxiety. And you worked on the electric thing nung before pandemic. And then, how did you address the other thing, anxiety?
Anxiety, actually, nagkaroon lang naman ako na anxiety during pandemic. And after ng pandemic naman kasi, since nakalabas na ako, nawala siya. Not necessarily kasi na, na parang part siya ng mental illness ko before. Talagang naging, lang siya naging, because of pandemic lang, naging existing siya nun.
Okay.
Kasi fear-mongering talaga yung news eh.
Yeah.
And then yung mga,
kahit
mga
ngayon.
nawawala eh. Diba
Ngayon din, fear-mongering.
Yes, kaya nga eh. And it causes, panic attacks, diba, anxiety. And, during pandemic, paano ko ba na-address yun? More on medication Medication kasi talaga ako before. Pero after na-lift up naman yung, yung pandemic, is nakakalabas na ako, which is grounding. Have you seen the sun, diba?
Okay. So right now, what continues is to help you with managing your thoughts to emotions is grounding and a lot of resources
Yes.
with your mental health journey.
Yes.
Okay. Kasi you already are aware of, dati siguro parang jargon pag nagsasalita kami, di ba? Pero ngayon, you're now more aware of your patterns.
Yes. That's the word, pattern.
Okay. Now, you get to sense more because of acuity. Mas mataas na yung senses mo ngayon. Tama ba?
Yes. Parang awakened.
Okay. Hindi, ayokong gamitin yung word na yun. I mean, that's a very broad term kasi baka sa ibang circles kasi iba yung meaning nun eh.
True.
Oh, iba yung meaning nun eh. Pero, siguro ang question ko is, what are the tools that can be useful for our friends who are listening?
Okay, meron ako ngayong isang secret
Kasi
na,
sabi mo kanina, hypnotherapy was useful. Grounding was useful.
in the past,
Yeah.
hypnotherapy. In the present, grounding. And in the future, ito na yung ituturo ko.
Yun, maybe you could share. Yan, you could share.
Yan. So, ang ituturo ko is yung isang secret na hindi na siya secret ngayon. Kasi it was used by emperors.
Alam ko na ba yan?
Yes!
Ay, secret kasi. So,
Na-share ko na siya sa'yo.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Na-advance reading na.
Sige,
So,
sige,
yun.
sige.
Yun nga. It used to be a secret used by emperors, pero it's now easily accessed na siya by the commoners para we can live a life that we desire, like emperors and empress.
Okay.
Yun
Could
na
you-
eh.
Sasabi Yeah, could you tell us more? I mean, genuinely, I'm interested to learn more about it. And how can this be beneficial for anyone who's going through a lot of things right now?
Actually, this one is will give you clarity in just a whole entire course.
Course siya. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
3-day course.
Okay.
So, dun pa lang, and unlimited kasi siya eh. So, one-time fee, unlimited access. So, yun
So
siya.
continuous yung learning niya talaga.
Yes, oo.
Okay.
So, dun mo talaga siya malalaman bakit nangyayari sa'yo to. Sabihin na natin, our birthdays,
Okay.
fate is our fate. Fate is, hindi na siya nababago.
F-A-T-E.
Yes, F-A-T-E.
F-A-T-E. Okay.
Hindi na siya mababago, and that is your birthday. And we were born here in this earth na hindi tayo nabigyan ng life map, but knowing the secrets of the emperor, our birthdays are our life map. Our birthdays are our patterns. And, di ba, validating siya.
Hindi ko maalala. Nag-usap na kami ni Tiasi the other
Parang before
couple of months
Christmas.
ba?
Oo, before Christmas.
3 months ago.
Oo.
3 months ago. And ang galing.
Diba?
Ang galing. Hindi kasi, may mga bagay na, I have strong, very strong beliefs. Pero when we talked about it, I was very open to it. You know why?
Oo.
Because you mean well. Ramdam ko sa energy mo na, Coach Ken, I just want to give this information to you. And for me, sino ba ako para tumanggi to someone that just genuinely wants to give you a good thing?
Yes.
So,
Puso.
puso eh. So sabi ko, sige, I want to learn more and I want to listen. And then as I listen to you, ang dami ko rin na-realize with my identity. I mean, malaking factor sa mga usapin na ganon is validation eh.
Yes.
When you say it to yourself and when another person says it solidifies an identity.
Yes.
So I see that it is very useful, lalo na if you are going through something na hindi ka pa stable sa footing mo because hindi mo pa kilala yung sarili mo eh.
Yes.
Tama ba? So, sige.
Yan yung struggle ko talaga before. Bakit, dun sa conversation natin na yun eh, sabi ko, Coach Ken, alam ko na bakit ako super depressed before. Kasi values or identity pala yun ng ibang tao na instill sa akin. Tapos, lost ako, hindi ko mahanap yung sarili ko, kaya pala nag-soul searching ako.
Okay, yeah.
And yun, nalaman ko, and eto na.
Okay. Ako connect ako dun fully. Kasi naniniwala ako dun sa alignment eh.
Yes.
Naniniwala ako sa alignment. Sige, could you tell us more? I mean, bigyan mo pa ng information yung mga nakikinig kayo.
Actually, pioneering sa Philippines to. We started October 2025 and ongoing siya ngayon. And yun nga, kanina yung podcast na sinimulan namin, yung We Empower Podcast with a Heart, is we're planning to have this workshop. We have free workshop din kasi. So, hindi
Oo nga,
lang...
may women empowerment na group pa kayo. Yeah.
Yes, oo. Kasi yun yung mga gusto naming i-share sa fellow women as well as yung We Empower Pinas para sa mga men. So yun, pwede natin siyang ibigay ng free. Honor Yourself
Hindi ako, man.
workshop.
I'm an alien. Alien.
Humans. Ayaw nga.
Okay. Pwede. Pero ang laking tulong ng communities.
Yes.
And I do see the importance of it. Kaya let me know lang kung may matutulong ako sa inyo with regards to it. 100% kasi syempre I have also clients that I would love to have like stronger environments eh.
Yes.
Nakita, you would agree with me na ang laking factor ng isang psyche ng tao, ay ng identity ng isang tao, yung environment na ginagalawan niya
Yes.
o kinalakihan niya eh. So, minsan, kailangan ko talaga ilayo eh. Oo.
Meron akong take dyan, Coach Ken.
Sige, go.
Speaking of environment, akala ko dati ang environment is kung ano lang yung lagi nating papunta, yung ito,
Yeah.
kung sino lang lagi nating kasama, kung nasan tayo palagi. Kasi before yung depression ko, kahit saan naman ako magpunta, depressed pa rin ako. Kahit saan ako magpunta before, akala ko ganun yung environment. Pero ang environment pala talaga is here. Yes.
Hindi, loka lang.
Hindi yun.
Hindi ko naman signals eh.
Yun nga, yung environment na yun, nung nalaman ko sa hypnotherapy or sa hypnosis, na environment talaga is ito.
Tama.
Doon ko talaga nalaman na, kaya pala kahit saan magpunta yung mga tao, yung kung ano sila, the identity that they were before, dala-dala pa rin nila kasi yung environment nila is ito.
Pwede ko palaliman yan eh.
Go!
Oo, pwede ko palaliman yan eh. Well, to connect with that, maraming hindi pa nakakaintindi ng mga concepts kasi na yun.
Totoo.
And minsan, kailangan mo umabot doon sa certain level of environment and frequency para maintindihan yung ibang concepts. Kaya, kung pupunta ka sa mga circles like spirituality, healing, minsan, a lot of people would say woo-woo and ganun.
Yes.
Because they're coming from a different understanding. Ayoko sabihin levels eh. I don't want to work with levels. Different levels of understanding lang and information. So, if you believe that this works for you, then there's a high chance that it would work for you.
Yes.
And kukonek ako dun sa sinabi mo na environment is here. Okay? I agree with you 100% with that kasi yun naman yung sinasabi natin ever since. Kahit mas madali kung ilalayo kita dun sa environment.
Yes.
Pero paano naman kung yung wala kang choice?
Oo.
Wala kang choice kasi kung pare, yung mismong nagbibigay sa'yo ng depression, pamilya mo, or partner mo, or minsan anak mo, yun kasi yan eh. Yun kasi yung mga normal na clients natin, di ba?
Totoo.
Hindi ka makaalis doon. Wala akong choice, Ken. Coach, wala akong choice. Kasi hindi ko naman pwede iwan yun. Yun yung statement. Di ba? Ngayon, paano mo siya ayusin?
Ako, Coach Ken,
Ano? Sige.
meron akong client.
Oh.
Sabihin na natin, kapatid ko, nagkaroon din siya ng depression. And tinuruan ko siya through hypnotherapy na umalis sa environment niya.
Okay.
Pinaposition ko siya sa environment na safe siya.
Okay.
Kahit nandun siya sa unsafe environment.
So may factor na to ng self-hypnosis, may factor na to ng anchoring.
Oo.
Diba? You get to anchor, you get to...
Hindi niya magets nung umpisa, pero sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mong illogical interpret, i-feel mo ng heart.
Okay.
Yun. Sinamahan ko siya
Kaya
ng
with the
puso
heart.
eh. Yes.
Yung podcast niya.
Yes.
With the heart.
Sabi ko, punta ka doon. Isama mo yung puso mo. Isama mo yung puso mo. Yearning kasi siya ng safety eh. Nervous system natin kasi yun.
Okay. And as a hypnotherapist yourself, you notice sa client when they're already in a state of trance and when they're already in a state of safety.
Yes.
Kita mo eh. Kita mo yun. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Sige, any specific learnings? Sige, gusto ko lang mag-focus sa journey mo and sa learnings mo eh. Napag-usapan natin yung tools kanina. You've talked about very specific tools. And then, I want you to share ngayon, like, this could be a very good outlet for you to say thanks dun sa mga tao na nakasama mo sa journey mo.
Uy, totoo yan.
More or less, if we'll be sharing on our walls naman, our family, our friends, our coaches, could be watching this. And I do think, ang dami mo na nakasama all throughout that journey. I want to give you the mic to say thanks to those people.
Siyempre, yung nag-invite sa akin sa environment mo, Coach.
Ako ba?
Si Queen.
Oo, si Queen. Oo. Long time.
Yes, hi,
long
Queen.
time. Oo, long
Ayan.
time. Yeah.
So, yun. Alam ko naman na she means
Palagi
well.
kasama.
Oo, she means well. Kaya, in-invite niya ako sa environment mo, sa community mo. Yun nga, speaking of resources, di ba? Lahat ng resources, nakuha ko lahat kay Coach Ken.
Ayun, salamat.
Because Coach Ken keeps showing up and I modeled him. Growing up kasi wala akong role model. So, naghanap talaga ako ng mga role model. And isa dun si Coach Ken.
Salamat.
Until, yun nga, yung breakthrough ko noong 2023. And then, syempre hindi lang naman solely kay Coach Ken.
Yeah.
Meron akong, parang nag-adventure ako. Kasi noong 2019 yun eh.
Yeah.
And then nawala ako, di ba? Until nag-connect ulit tayo. Yung phase na yun, ano yun eh, more on parang working on other factors. Pero sabi ko, parang minake ko eh. Parang wala talagang nangyayari eh. Medication and all, lahat. Lahat ng alternatives, ng mga professional help. For me, it didn't work for me eh. Kaya sabi ko, I need to address the roots. And yun, bumalik ako sa, ganoon naman yun eh, di ba? Parang aalis ka muna dun sa community. Yeah. Pero mapaparealize ka. And then bumalik ako. And yun na, you introduced me to this friend who helped me, si Bill.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Bill.
Yes, hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill. Kamusta?
So, yun, who introduced me. So, yun na, past, present, and then yung future. And I'm currently working with Goddess Shening, my mentor and a sister, soul sister. So, yun. And especially nakita mo naman, Coach, bumalik ako sa church namin.
Oh, nakita ko nga.
Yes, oo. Kasi, na-realize ko na yung will of life, hindi lang pala siya dapat nandito ka lang. Circle kasi siya eh. So, yung circle na yon, tignan mo yung areas na mahina ka. Mahina ako sa spirituality. So, bumalik ako para
inikot mo yung circle,
yes.
Tapos ginage mo from 1 to 10.
Yes, oo. And yung mga 8 to 10, kasi may mga 8 to 10 ako eh. Minamanage ko na lang siya. And ang wino-workout and focus.
Kita mo kaagad kung saan ka 0 o saan ka 1.
Yes, oo. So yung current and then yung yung level na gusto ko siyang i-work on. So yun, spirituality.
Active ka nga sa Alabang.
Yes, yung temple namin.
Ganda,
yes.
Ganda.
Ayun. And syempre, sa mga tumulong din sa akin. Syempre, mga professional help. Oo. Yan. And yung mga ngayon, yung mga naniniwala sa akin, nag-trust sa akin ng mga clients.
Sige. Future na tayo. So, what's the future like for you?
Nakikita ko na lang sarili ko na nagtuturo eh. Nagtuturo na lang talaga. Kasi okay na ako eh. Kumbaga, di ba sabi nga natin, yung cycle of life. Cycle of life, dependent ka pa.
Okay.
Dependent ka pa and then until yung hindi atomic habits ay yung 7 habits of highly effective people is tinuturo doon is
Covey.
Ka pa lang, dependent ka pa lang as a child. So ang pinaka very important factor doon is yung environment mo, kung they nurture you.
Okay.
So yun yung hindi ko nakuha. Kaya doon sa sa independent stage ko, kinuha ko siya, in-acquire ko siya, dineclare ko siya. And ito na, mini-maintain ka na lang. Yun na, I'm working with I'm working with coaches, with people, with mentors. Ganun na. Nasa ganung level na ako. And yun yung gusto kong tutukan, yung mga nandun sa stage na yun.
Ito,
yun yung future na teaching lang
so
talaga.
focus ka na sa teaching. Sige, I mean, pa-wrap up na rin tayo, pero siguro ito yung gusto kong i-inject na question. I mean, there will still be bad times.
Oh, yes.
There will
Oo.
still be bad times.
Parang isipin nila toxic positivity.
Hindi, kaya nga, lalagyan natin ng ano eh. There will still be bad times. What's like your system right now? I don't want to talk about countermeasures. You know, we call it systems. Eh? So what's your system like right now? When something bad happens, what would be probably the system that runs on your mind?
Okay.
Anong tatakbo sa utak mo? Kasi ang workaround natin is to classify thought, 'di ba? So that hindi siya tumuloy-tuloy doon sa emotions na hindi na natin alam kung anong pwede mangyari. It's more or less like thought management. Eh. So, if something bad happens or a bad day, what's running on your mind?
Well, actually recently lang din 'to nangyari. So sabi ko, hindi. So I have, yung mga ganong bad day na yon, unang-una, natutunan ko sa occupational therapist ko before,
Okay.
na kung wala kang matakbuhan, sulat mo.
Okay, yeah, journal.
Journal ko, yung journal ko talaga. Pero kung hindi pa rin siya enough, kung mausap ka na ng trusted person.
Okay.
And I talk to trusted people. Yung alam mong hindi kayo judge, alam mong they will listen.
Kahit na may judge ka eh. Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay lang naman din i-judge
Kasi
ka, no?
trusted person mo siya.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo. And at the same time, tawag dito, hindi, yung parang, kahit sabihin mong misunderstood ka rin nila, pero they know that you did it because you are, alam mo yun, you are in need of help or in need of kausap, of companion. So yun, hindi naman talaga siya mawawala, no? Pero as long as you, yung mga do things first na yung wala kang kasama pa, grounding. And then, yung kapag meron ka ng kasama at yung hindi pa rin siya okay, yun na. Talk to a trusted friend, a mentor.
So, may system.
Yes,
Yun yung gusto ko i-clarify eh. Most people don't have a system and they will just go through all those thoughts and all those emotions every day. Every day on repeat. Ang hirap. Kaya ang laking bagay na there are podcasts like yung mga ginagawa mo and podcasts like this to equip those people na hindi alam yung gagawin nila para lang kahit papaano, gets mo, mas gumaan yung buhay. Diba? Pero sige, before we wrap up this episode, I want to ask you, what have you learned from this podcast? Itong episode natin ngayon. It could be a self-learning eh. What have you learned? Baka meron kang insight na nakuha dyan habang nag-iisip ka sa mga tanong na binabato ko. What have you learned sa episode na to?
Actually, in combination na kasi talaga siya ng learning since makakilala ko kayo, Coach Ken eh. Show up talaga siya. Show up kasi Coach Ken, you never stop showing up.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Kung may sakit ako, bahala kayo dyan.
Actually, kahit naman sabihin mong may sakit ka or hindi ka nag-show up for a couple of months or ano, yung environment na binild mo, yung community na binild mo, nandyan eh.
Yes.
Yung energy nila nandyan eh.
Yes.
Kaya, every time na mayroong event, kahit wala ka, papunta kami eh. 'Di ba? Kasi yung pag-show up mo sa amin, yun yung naging model namin eh. Naging good model, good example. Kaya sabi ko, puso talaga. Si Coach Ken, puso talaga siya eh, sabi ko.
Minsan utot din. Minsan wala ako eh. Minsan naglalaro lang ako sa Dota sa bahay.
Oo.
Pero,
yun yung natutunan ko sa'yo, Coach Ken. Especially dito rin sa podcast na to, na in-invite ako ni Coach Ken to share this. Yun.
Of course. I saw everything, yung story mo from way back to the middle to now. And it's still a story unraveling. It's still moving forward. And sa akin, I'm just fascinated with all the people around me. You know, I'm fascinated with anyone. Pinapanood ko yung mga buhay ng tao.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi naman ako parang Diyos, pero ano lang, natutuwa lang ako, Ang saya niya.
Lakas
Uy,
na kasi,
yung
ang
such
lakas
a-
ng support system mo, coach, na lakas
Hindi
ng,
lahat hindi lahat.
ng community na binild mo.
Salamat. I just hope that more people would do it.
Yun
just
nga
hope more
kaya
people would do it.
yun din yung gusto ko
Just
Kaya I
continue,
built
no,
the
no.
Women Empowerment PH, yun nga, with Goddess Shaning. And
Tuloy niyo
Dave
lang.
and Janice.
Tuloy niyo lang yan. And ako sa akin, I'm always very, very thankful. Sabi ko nga there are a lot of people na makikilala mo lang ng wala lang. Wala lang. Nakilala mo lang. Pero there will be people that will be
Stick around.
stick around that would be influential
Ay,
sa buhay mo moving forward.
totoo.
So, influence goes two ways I get to influence other people and I also get influenced by them. So, sabi ko, as a coach or as a teacher, ang laking ito learning ko na to ang laking factor yung you know what influence you put out there and you know what influence comes in.
Yes.
Minamanage ko yon. So, sa mga tao nagtitiwala sa akin, salamat, I get energy from you. Sa mga taong hindi nagtitiwala sa akin, that's fine.
Actually, okay
Preference
lang yun.
yun. Oo nga
Filtered na siya
Okay lang yun. Okay lang.
Filtered na siya sa environment na binibuild mo, Coach Ken
Hindi ko alam kung napanood mo yung episode na kinausap ko yung tatay ko
Hindi pa.
Kaka-post ko lang kasi noong mga last week.
Okay. Sige.
I asked him about one question. Mga parang, tanda na siya Sabi ko, what are your thoughts about friends? And nakita ko lang yung concept that friends will be part of your life. It will just be there, be out of your life. Pero when your mindset is to yung iba kasi talagang konti lang yung friends nila Nakita ko sa buhay namin ng airpot ko, hindi, marami kaming friends. Tuloy-tuloy. Pero not all will talagang make a big influence in your life. There will be only few people na nandun.
Totoo.
Pero you have the power to maintain kung sino yung mga friends na mag-i-stay sa buhay mo.
Yes.
Yun So, sa akin, learning ko with this episode is, number one, be thankful. Not all people will root for you. Nakikita ko lang. Not all people will root for you, but look for people who do. Support them. Ano pang nakita kong learning with this episode? Ang concept ko pa rin with depression, it's still a range. Okay? There are people who are nandito sa level ng depression na ganito, pero meron talaga sobrang lalim. Pero please, if you're going through something, I want you to make a very conscious decision that you want to work with it.
Yes.
Because kung binibitawan mo siya, kakainin ka na yan Pero if you want to work with it, there are a lot of approaches and practices right now that could fit what you're looking for. Kung hinahanap mo is spiritual, marami ng approaches for spiritual, hahanapin mo na lang kung saan ka mag-a-align. Hanap ka ng mga approaches for mga science approach, madami. Basta hindi ka nag-give up, push ka ng push, kaya mo siya labanan, may chance. Pero kung sinabi mo, wala na, tapos na to, of course, kung usapan natin ito, wala na chance. So, I'm asking, if you're going through something right now, reach out to people, work things out, change your environment. May paraan. May paraan yun.
Isa ako sa result.
Ayan, isa sa result. So, yun lang. Meron ka bang gustong i-share bago tayo matapos? Yeah.
Oo.
Message.
Actually, habang sinasabi mo yan, lahat ng learnings mo sa podcast na to, na-realize ko na ang daming nakatulong talaga sa akin. Ang dami. Especially sa lahat ng NLP Cafe mo kay John Boa. Kay
mentor yan. John, saka si Strix yan.
Tsaka si Doc Strix sa online. Sobrang tindi ng tulong nila sa akin kasi yun yung mga times na wala talaga akong matakbuhan pero nandyan kayo. Yung environment
Sayang
niya
wala
na
ka sa
binild mo.
Limitless. Yun pa naman yung pinakamabigat na
Alam mo
training sa
na.
lahat. Oo nga. Yun nga eh. Pero sige, ano pa? Sige, go.
Actually, yun lang. Talagang, ako kasi, coming from ano pa rin ako eh. Coming from the student pa rin ako eh. Coming from a student na, meron kasing mga student na gumigive up na sa sarili nila. Pero kasi, pag gumive up kasi, parang, hindi mo na binigyan ng chance yung better version mo. Ang pinaka nakatulong kasi talaga dun yung pina-visualize mo sa akin yung better self ko eh.
Laking factor, no?
Ang laking factor niya.
Future pacing.
Yes,
no?
oo.
Future pacing.
Ang laking factor niya. Kaya sabi ko
Circle
talaga,
of excellence, future pacing, combined, yeah.
yun yung mga chance na ibibigay mo sa sarili mo. So yun, kaya ako talaga, ang lagi kong word show up talaga eh. Kasi hindi ka lang mag-show up sa iba, mag-show up ka rin sa sarili mo.
May assignment ako for you.
Ano?
If that worked for you,
Mhm.
master that technique
Opo.
and do it online
Opo.
so that other people could experience it as well. For group hypnotherapy, let me know.
Sige po.
I'd like to
Pwede.
host a session if you want to
po,
do
opo.
something.
Mm-mm.
Kaya naman yung future pacing. Dali
Yes,
lang naman
opo.
yun eh. Sige, yun lang. So, paalam na tayo. So, kita-kits. Again, my name is Ken Sumera. Kita-kits tayo sa next episode ng Self Talk. Bye-bye!